Hey guys, this is Polo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Frame Arms Girl Gourai-Kai version 2. Alright, here is the box itself. Now before I go on to the unboxing, I have a little special thing to see right here. Notice my background is a bit different right now. I mean, it's black as you usually see, but it's not just any black background. It's finally made of cloth. So that's pretty good. Like, I've been wanting to get a cloth background for so long. I mean, I had a hard time maintaining paper backdrops, and trust me, I really don't touch much on it, and I have to keep buying new ones because, my God, the paper doesn't last as long. So finally, I have a cloth background, and yeah, that'll be good. So from now on, if I'll be doing my unboxing and reviews and some stop motions in this background instead. So you guys, but I not only got black, I also got green for like green screen if I want to do that. But I'll let you guys decide. Do you want to see my unboxing and reviews on black or green? You can leave that comments down below, and I will take a look at it. So that's my unboxing. So yes, Gourai-Kai. If you guys remember from my stuff lying around, I did have a normal Gourai in my collection. I mean, I have not built it yet, but I feel like the Gourai-Kai is better than the original Gourai in some ways. Of course, it's called Gourai-Kai. What the heck? It's version 2. Yeah, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with my old Gourai. Maybe I'll just give it a friend, or probably like, I don't know, like save it for custom. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But Gourai-Kai, well, you can build the original Gourai if I remember. So that's a good thing, I guess. So let's go on to the unboxing. So hopefully the background doesn't fall because it's the first time I have to film the unboxing. Hopefully it doesn't get in the way. Yeah, basically, oops, out of the way. On the side here, basically you have the front and back shot of the kit, and then basically it was and basically what stuff you can do, and let's move on. And we have like the face expression, which are, I guess, better than like even more expressive than the original Gourai. Gourai is like very blank, to be honest. And on the side we have like the water slides, and then the faces you can do with Gourai that comes with it. If you remember, this costs 54 yen, I'm not sure, but yeah. Let's open the sleeve. I've not opened this for a few days, so I'm waiting for this kind of thing to come, really. Right, sleeve open, and let's open the box. Okay. Yep, it's usually Cody Bigger box are real hard to open. Why? Ugh. Come out! Come on! Okay, I'll do a jump cut when I get the box open. Alright, got the box open. Now let's see what's inside. First part, we got that's a lot of plastic. I have not built a Ver.2 for so long. I mean, I built my 50, but that was quite small. But yeah. Yep, that's the armor part. I know that goes in the chest, really, because of the varying sizes. That way. And the G plate, yeah, we got the threads for her back. No, I mean threads for her what should I call it? Like her legs, I guess. And then like some of her stuff. The faces, what's really on top? Yeah, you get a normal face on the left, and a just winking, kissing face. Yep, let's put it that way. Yep. Oh man, this is I guess probably the best part for some people, but I'm no pervert really. But okay, let's go on. Yeah, I play basically. You've got her, I guess her bra, I guess, and her panties, and her choker, and her boobs, I guess. In the back, we got her hair, and I think it's I could be wrong. I'm not sure if it's this exact same mold as the new Gourai, the old Gourai hair. I believe it's new from what I'm seeing. And then you get more armor parts. More armor, and her cannon, which I believe that was from the original Gourai-Kai. That's exclusive to, I guess, the Blu-ray for the anime. You get more armor parts. I mean, her like the legs. You got her joints and her chest, maybe. Yeah, her chest. I can tell. Like some of her skirts and her clothing. And on the back we have more joints. And we have polycaps, which are, well, interesting to see. I noticed it's been a while I've seen polycaps on Ver.2 Girls, and you get some more parts. And you've got the hands, which are in rubber, which I also prefer than the plastic. And they actually look small as well, as I just realized. Yeah, they're really small. Like, not as big, but okay, fair enough. Oh, let's put it on the side. And hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay, never mind, it's falling apart. Never mind. And let's go to the manual. And you also get the worst lights. And in the manual, the usual stuff. I mean, I feel this is my second freelance girl. Probably building not anytime soon, but probably later on if I'm free, basically. Yeah, basic freelance girl build, really. In the paint guide, I really like the winky face. I think there's like plans for that. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the freelance girl Gourai-Kai version 2. Well, I mean, it's a version 2 of Gourai, and I would probably do something with my old Gourai that I have. I don't know. But we'll see how it goes, and I will get you guys back with the review. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Stand up, really. Thank you guys for watching this. If I can close it, never mind. Let's just put it aside. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.